Imbag, nga malemtay amin ako, mahirap paniwalaan. Nandito na naman tayo after 3 years. Napakabilis lumipas ang oras. Umuna-unay, agyamanak, itinapalaos sa suporta kanya kapo. Mula pa noong unang araw natin bilang kinatawan ng Primero Distrito ng Ilocos Norte hanggang ngayon. As I begin my second term, I'm filled with immense gratitude and an even deeper sense of responsibility. We bank on the milestones already achieved in our Bagong Pilipinas. Our President's leadership has brought renewed focus on infrastructure, food security, digitalization, and people-centered governance. These gains inspire us to push further, confident that national progress and local development can move hand in hand. Over the past 3 years, we have worked together to build a better first district of Ilocos Norte. We brought government services closer to the people. We supported education through scholarships, classrooms, improved livelihood for farmers and fisherfolk, opened more opportunities for the youth, provided financial assistance for health, and pushed for key infrastructure projects that connect and uplift our province. In Congress, we filed and supported measures that protect the welfare of our people, promote local development, and strengthen our industries. Hindi ko po kinayang gawin lahat ng ito ng mag-isa. Bunga po ito ng ating pagtutulungan, pagkakaisa at sama-samang pakikilos ng ating probinsya, mga bayan at lungsod. Lahat ng mga barangay at lalo na ang ating mga kakailian. We begin this new term with even greater energy and with clearer purpose. We are focused on the work that still lies ahead as we push for real progress in every corner of our district. Today, I renew my pledge to be a